We became a Verizon Innovative Learning School when the district approached us. Our student population, on average, was reading on about a third grade level. We understood that we needed to be an intervention school where we were making sure that those deficit areas were addressed.
When I think about the endless possibilities with this program, our partnership with Verizon, it makes me smile at night before I go to sleep.
Today, everybody is getting their iPad.
The iPads are going to be a game changer for us. We began the next-gen aerospace engineering last year, and one of the biggest problems that we ran into was the students didn't have the technology to be able to work on this at their own pace, at home, on the bus, wherever they were at. Having the technology with them at all times will greatly enhance their experiment results, being able to plan those experiments.
I think that this project will allow me to be virtual as well. I like to go visit other teachers' classrooms to see exactly how they're teaching. And this program will allow me to do that while I'm still in my classroom.
It will also help build a divide that is between what we have a very high English language learner population. It will help build a relationship between the teacher and the student because often there's communication issues.
Those kinds of things, unlocking those doors for those babies, for our babies, and making it a part of their everyday learning environment is just so critical and key for us because they deal with so much socially and emotionally in their own environments that anything that we can use to facilitate, we're willing to do that.
There are so many opportunities available to you, and our education and our ability to access that information in other areas of the world give us a perspective beyond what we can even imagine.
This is a step in the direction of equity. Let's give our kids the tools that they can be successful. Let's invest in our students right now because we can't do our future unless we do it right now.